Question is asking what is the projection of vector b plus c on vector A. Okay, this is equal to vector b plus c dot a cap. This is equal to vector b plus c dot vector A divided by magnitude of A. Correct or not? What is this value of vector b plus c? This is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 2k cap. Correct? Plus 2k cap. B plus c is this one. Dot A will be equal to 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 divided by magnitude of A. What is the magnitude of A? 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square. So what is this answer that we get is equal to 6 plus 4 10 divided by what is it? 10 divided by root of 6. 10 divided by root of 6 will be the answer. You can also multiply by root 6 and divide by root 6. So your answer to the question will be 5 divided by 3 times root 6. This will be the answer to the question.